This is how to replace a shock on a rack. The shock will most likely either be missing or the shock will be detached on either the top or the bottom. So what you need to do is remove the old shock. The way you remove the old shock is you take this screwdriver and release the clip. The shock will come right off. Take the new shock. The top clip will push right on. Make sure it's seated. And then we have to put the bottom clip on. So what you'll do is you'll rotate the ball to where it'll line up with the hole. And the way you have to compress the shock. So use the supplied strap. Put the screwdriver in the clip. And then compress the shock until the hole lines up with the ball. Make sure the clip is seated. You might have to tap it with something. And you should have a shock that works.